Bonjour. Today's lesson we're going to be talking about demonstrative adjectives, which is referring to talking about this and that. Let's start by just going over the vocab quickly one more time. We have la cuisine, le four, la cuisinière, un évier, un micro-ondes, un réfrigérateur, or simply un frigo, la salle à manger, une chaise, une table, le living, le salon, la salle de séjour, all refer to a living room or a family room, un canapé, un fauteuil, une fenêtre, une étagère, une lampe. La chambre, une affiche or un poster, une armoire, un placard. Un bureau can refer to a desk or an office, if you have an office in your home. Une commode, un lit, un réveil. La salle de bain, les toilettes, or le WC, refers to the closet that is just a toilet. Because in Europe, most places in Europe have a separate room for the toilet than the room where the bathtub, the shower, and the sink are. Okay? Une baignoire, une douche, un lavabo, un miroir. Le grenier, le sous-sol, or la cave. La cave usually refers more to a cellar, but mostly in the US we just have le sous-sol, the basement, but the French, they tend to have la cave. La garage, le jardin, le balcon, un escalier, une porte. All right, so just what is a demonstrative adjective? It's not an adjective that's scary, okay? So a demonstrative adjective are words, they replace the article, the le, la, les, un, une, or des, in order to distinguish which object is being referred to. So in English, demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. All right? And here are our demonstrative adjectives. So if it's a word that's masculine, we're going to use se. If it's a word that's feminine, set. If the word is plural, se. And if it's a masculine word but starts with a vowel sound, set, C-E-T. And here are a few examples. So we're going to replace these regular articles, le, la, les, with demonstrative adjectives so you can see what they look like in context. So if we're going to say le lit est grand, the bed is big, okay? But we want to be a little bit more specific. We want to say that this bed is big, okay? So we're going to replace le, all right, masculine. We're going to replace it with se. And we have ce lit est grand, all right? Let's take a look at the next one. Next we have l'armoire est belle. Okay? The closet is beautiful. So an armoire usually refers to a standalone closet. We use the word in English as well, an armoire. So it is a feminine word, we can tell because we've used the feminine form of beau, belle. All right. So we're going to say, instead of just the armoire is beautiful, we want to say this one right here, this one right there is beautiful. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the L apostrophe. And it's a feminine word, so we're going to replace that with set. And now we have cette armoire est belle. All right? In our next sentence, we're talking about something that's plural. Chaise is feminine, but we have more than one here because we have les. Les chaises ne sont pas confortables. They're not comfortable. Okay, the chairs are not comfortable. Well, which chairs? These chairs. We want to say these chairs. We're going to get rid of les. And because it's plural, we're going to use ces. Ces chaises ne sont pas confortables. There we go. Lastly, we have l'escalier est fait en pierre. Okay, a bit of vocab that you don't recognize maybe, but the stairs, the staircase, is made of stone. Okay, it's made of stone. Well, which staircase? This one or that one. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the L apostrophe. Escalier is in fact masculine, but it starts with a vowel. So I want to say cet, C-E-T, cet escalier est fait en pierre. And there we have it. Ce lit est grand, cette armoire est belle, ces chaises ne sont pas confortables, cet escalier est fait en pierre. Those are our demonstrative adjectives. Now, the issue in French that we have is that we don't have a single word that changes to say whether it's this or that, okay? So they add a word onto the end to say whether we're talking about this chair or that chair over there, okay? So I want you to visualize these words. So I have si up front and close, la further away, all right? So if we're using si to describe something, it's right here. Si, okay? La, over there, la, okay? Further away. Si, here, la, there, all right? Keep that in mind as we look at the next slide. Okay, I have some examples with si and la, and we can see how they're distinguished, how they're used to distinguish whether we're talking about something that's nearby or something that's further away from us. Okay, let's take a look. Cette chaise-ci est confortable. Cette chaise-ci, okay, this chair is comfortable. Okay, si, remember, refers to something that's closer to us. Okay, so we want to say this chair, the one that's right next to me. Cette chaise-ci est confortable. Okay, non, cette chaise-là est confortable. Okay, so now we're saying no, that chair, okay, the one that's over there, that chair is comfortable. Pas cette chaise-ci, mais cette chaise-là. All right. Another example. Tu aimes ce miroir-là? Non, je préfère ce miroir-ci. Okay, so imagine you're out shopping, you're at like a home goods kind of store, right? And you're looking at different mirrors and your friend says, Tu aimes ce miroir-là? Do you like that mirror over there? Non, je préfère ce miroir-ci. I prefer this mirror, the one that I'm standing next to. All right, that's all that I have for you this lesson. I'm going to wish you bonne chance, and I will see you next time.